Folks, welcome to Ethical Empire. So this weekend the video about CS practical course is not coming due to some reasons. So in this video I will be explaining and showing you how to set up SNMP services in the Windows machine. So now let's start the video. So I'm in my Windows machine. So in the search box, I will search for the service settings, and then I will click on open. And here I will click on the apps. Inside apps, I will click on optional features to check out the services installed. So I will look for the SNMP service. Is it installed or not? So as you can see that there's no SNMP services installed. So I will click on add a feature. And here I will search for SNMP. Okay, so here I can see that a simple network management protocol. So I will click on it and I will click install. So it will take a little bit time and then it will be installed. So let's wait for it. So our SNMP service is installed now. So I will close it. And now I will go into the search box and I will search for the services. So now I will click on open to just open the service app. Now here I can see many services are running here. So I will look for our SNMP service. Okay, so now I can see that SNMP service and SNMP trap. Okay, so as I can see that SNMP service is running here. So I will right click and I will go into the properties tab. And in security tab, we will create a new community, YNAM public. Keep the community rights set only and you can edit it as per your need. And then click on add. And here you can select any one of the options like accept SNMP host from this host or any host. Then click apply and OK. And then restart the service. So as you can see that SNMP service is started now. So for the proper functioning of this service, we will restart the computer. So if you like this video and if you have any questions, so please comment down. We will meet in next video. See you soon. Bye.